This guy right here does a lot of hard work around your yard, which is why you need to show it some love. With this, STP Premium Bar and Chain Oil. It helps reduce high-speed throw-off, minimize resin buildup, and reduce friction. Now, remember, this is not the same thing as engine oil. It's specifically designed to keep your chainsaw's blade lubricated and protected. And of course, always check your manual to make sure you know where to pour it in. It's easy to do. Don't overfill and just clean up with a cloth. It's a good idea to fill up with this every time you fill up with this, so you'll never run dry. Remember, these are great machines that can last a long time if you treat them right. STP, inside every great machine.